back to my channel, guys, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I have this look here for you guys. Oh my gosh, this really easy peasy look that I literally used just 3 eyeshadows for, and you know, I'm so excited about this look because it was easy and then it came out looking like, you know, I went in, but I didn't. So I have this easy look for you guys. I feel like you can wear it for any occasion. You can tone it down, you know, with the colors if you want to use different colors, and I feel like this look will go well with like any color combination. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this look over here, let me stop rambling. If you want to see how I achieved this look over here, it is a quick one, so please keep on watching. So guys, going into my Morphe 35T palette, I am going to go into that shade right there. I am determined to use only one palette for this look. That was what I was determined to use one palette, so I'm glad I was able to use just that palette. So I'm lightly putting that as my transition color. I am using it lightly here, but then I'm going to use that same color with a tapered brush, and I'm just deepening that the crease with that same color. And I'm taking this deeper, I don't even know what this color is called, to be honest. It's not purple, it's not, I don't know what it's called, but I really like it. So I'm taking that darker version of it, whatever this color is called, and then I'm putting that at the outer V of my eyes and also blending that upwards. And I'm going back with that color, the first color I used, and I'm just blending it together. So I'm just going back and forth and I'm blending. So yeah, now I'm gonna take this it's like a shimmery, I don't even know, it's like a champagne pink, I think I would say, like a very light color. I don't know what to call it. And then I'm just gonna put that right on my lid, my entire lid, the place I did not put the other colors. Oh my gosh, that's confusing. And so I'm just gonna blend. This is not a cut crease. I was very determined to not make this a cut crease, because every time I do something like this it ends up looking like a cut crease. So I'm just going back and forth to blend, and I'm blending my outer V as well with that shimmery color. And I'm just gonna lightly line my lash line, just so when I put my lashes, you know, it looks put together. Because sometimes if you don't line before putting your lashes, it comes out looking a bit, you know, weird. I've gone ahead to do my face, I've done my brows, I've done all the shebang. This was really a rush look. So I'm taking my good old Maybelline gel liner in New York, and I'm just lining my waterline just to crisp, you know, give the eyes like a crispy look. And then I'm taking that darker shade I use at my outer V first, and then I'm taking it at like the outer part, not necessarily bringing it inside, as you can see what I'm doing. And then I'm taking that first color I use, and then I'm gonna take this all the way to like the inner corners of my eye, or quite lightly. And then I'm just contouring my nose with my face powder, my MAC NW58 face powder. And oh my gosh, the light was really affecting this. I had to reduce the light later on, but I'm just going into my Carly by Bell and BH Cosmetics palette. I took that pinkish highlighter and I put it in the inner corners, and then I'm mixing all those 3 other bronze goldish highlighters, and I'm just highlighting my face with that. And now I'm taking my Bare Minerals Invisible Glow highlighter. I believe this is deep to dark, dark to deep. I don't know, but I really love this stuff, and it's not really showing, but it really kind of brings the look together. Like it just kind of blends, you know. So going into my blush palette by BH Cosmetics, I'm gonna take those 2 blushes and I'm gonna blush, you know, add some color to my face and just blend the contour and the highlight. And then I like to go back with my highlighter, just a little bit of that invisible glow, and just because sometimes when I put the blush it kind of gets lost a little bit, and then I just go back with my contour brush to also bring back the contour. I do this all the time, so even if I don't show it in my other videos, I always do this step. Then I'm gonna spray my NYX the matte finish setting spray and the dewy setting spray. I'm going in with the matte setting spray first, and then to add a little bit of dewiness I sprayed the dewy spray. And using my MAC lip liner in Night Moth, I am lining my lips, and you know, it feels good not to be using my Wet n Wild brow pencil in dark brown. Then I'm going in my Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in Sapphire, I believe that's what it's called. I really love this color, but sometimes it dries down and I don't really like it when it dries down, so I like to use gloss on top of that. So I'm going in with my NYX gloss in Tres Leches. I really love this gloss. Don't sleep on NYX, you guys. Their lip products, especially their glosses, are amazing. So I just put that right on top of that to just, you know, brighten up that lip color. And that's it. This is a light reduced. So guys, this is the finished look. I really love how this turned out. I really love how it turned out. It is so soft, you know. It is I love how it turned out. I feel like I'll be doing looks like this more often. You know, cut creases are nice and all of that, but listen, if you can get you easy quick look and you're looking this glamorous, yes honey, yes. I'm really gonna be doing, I think in fact the next look I'm gonna do is a look like this, but see, just different colors, you know. But anyways, this is the finished look. Oh, I feel like this is like Nigerian bridal, you know, and I didn't even plan for it like that. It's so easy, oh my goodness. Anyways, let me know what your thoughts are on this look right here. You know, I am serving, child. I'm feeling myself, don't mind me. But anyways, let me know what your thoughts are on this look. Thank you guys so much for your support on all my other videos that I've been posting. I really would love to grow, so please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do like, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you want to comment, or if you have any questions, please do. Sorry, the verses, these days I'm just rushing to leave the house, so I don't even have time to, you know, to like talk on the verses and stuff like that. But don't worry, I will be back doing that for those of you who, you know, are interested in that. And yeah, so this is the finished look. Let me know what your thoughts are. Please subscribe. I know I've said that, but if you haven't, please do. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to leave, not exist, okay?